The microfilm is in your ticket.
These scenes look like they were shot for a Hollywood blockbuster, but they weren't. This was generated by Google's new AI model, VO3. It can create breathtaking, awesome cinematic video from a single text prompt. This isn't science fiction anymore. The AI video revolution is officially here. But here's the problem: making videos like this right now is super hard and super expensive. You need really powerful computers, and it takes a long time. It's like this cool future is only for big companies. What if I told you that you can create videos like this using AI? In today's video, I'll show you a tool that lets you do it in just a minute. With this tool, you can turn a single idea, a sentence, a random thought into an attention-grabbing video using AI, script, visuals, voiceover, all of it. And the tool making it happen? It's called Clipwise. It is a text-to-video AI tool. There are just 3 simple steps to go from text to video. First, input your idea and select your format. Second, review the script and choose a narrator. And third, give the finishing touch to your video. Then you can download it. We will perform all these steps in this video. First step, input your style and select your format. First, click the link below to open this website and sign up for a new account. Your dashboard will look like this. Here you can create any type of content like viral faceless videos, AI host videos, quiz videos, Reddit-style content, business videos, and e-commerce videos. Today, I am going to create a faceless video. You can also create other types of content. Here you can choose the language. I'll stick with English for now. Let's keep the duration as it is. If you go to additional settings, there are more options like tone and style. Since I am going to create a story video, I will select the style as storytelling. You can also choose your audience and animation style. Now in this box, we have to enter the prompt, our idea. For example, in a silent forest, a forgotten statue begins to bleed black liquid, each drop spawning a twisted stone replica that wanders, searching for its vanished creator. You can generate content in niches like motivation, productivity, fitness, history, and more. Next, pick a visual style that fits your story. You'll find options like 3D Pixar, chill vibe, watercolors, and many more. Since I am creating a horror story, let's choose dark intensity. Now hit generate. Look, it wrote the entire script for the video. Second step, review the script and choose a narrator. The script for the video is ready. You can also add or change it from here. Let's make it more scary. Look, it made it scarier. Now click Start Video Generation. For voiceover, there are dozens of AI voices. You can choose the best voice based on gender, accent, age, and tone. Let's search for a deep voice to use in the video.
I have crossed oceans of time to find you. I prayed.
I really like this one. You can also choose a video avatar, which speaks in front of your video based on your script.
In the heart of a raging storm, a young turtle named Tilly.
Clipwise syncs the voice with subtitles automatically. No editing skills required. Now, let's move to customization. It creates your scenes automatically. But here's the beauty. You can customize everything. Want to change the text? Easy. Just change it from here. Want a different image? Just tweak the image prompt and regenerate. Look at this amazing result. If customization is done, click Next. Third step, give the finishing touch to your video. Let's give a finishing touch to our video. For background music, you can upload your own or choose from the library. I think this one will perfectly match. Let's choose it. You can also adjust the volume, make it low so the voiceover is clear. You can even speed up or slow down the video. You can also turn the transition sound on or off. Scroll down for the caption settings. There are lots of fonts available. I like this one. Let's keep the position at the bottom. Caption color is yellow. There are also lots of caption styles. I will choose this highlight one. You can also add an overlay to make it more interesting. Let's add this one. Once you're done, click Next. It'll take a few minutes. And hooray, your video is ready to download.
In a silent forest, shadows dance beneath the gnarled trees. A forgotten statue, once a guardian, now bleeds thick black liquid. The sound of rumbling creeps through the night. Each drop hits the ground, twisting into grotesque stone replicas, their eyes hollow, their forms distorted. They rise through the underbrush. Whispers echo.
It looks amazing, right? You can create unlimited content like this in any genre. Now, you might be wondering, how much does this cost? Well, if you're serious about content creation, you should definitely check out the subscription plans. Starter plan, $25 per month. Creator plan, $39 a month. Business plan, $63 per month. That's less than $0.5 per video. For high-quality content, you can post on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok and start monetizing fast. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below, try Clipwise, and start creating viral videos today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.